वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। कैसे हैं आप सब लोग? मैं बहुत 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 अच्छी हूँ गाइज। एंड इन टुडेज वीडियो, जैसे कि आप सब लोगों ने ऑलरेडी टाइटल में देख लिया है, इट इज गोइंग टू बी नो ग्लू एंड नो बोरॉक्स slime, like sure, but it is a super big experiment also. So जैसे कि आप लोगों ने मेरे ये वाले वीडियो में पहले देखा था कि मैंने इसमें नील पॉलिश स्लाइम बनाने के लिए ट्राई किया था, जो कि ऑलमोस्ट सबका बन जाता है विदाउट एनी प्रॉब्लम, बट मेरा नहीं बना था वो नील पॉलिश स्लाइम एंड आई थॉट दैट इट वुड बी फेक। बट मैंने बहुत सारे वीडियोस देखे एंड ऑलमोस्ट सबका नील पॉलिश स्लाइम बन गया था। सो मैंने कमेंट्स में देखा, मोस्ट ऑफ यू गाइस हैव सेड कि मैंने रॉन्ग ऑयल यूज किया था, मुझे कुकिंग ऑयल यूज करना चाहिए था, पैराशूट ऑयल, कोकोनट ऑयल नहीं। सो टुडे आई एम गोइंग टू यूज कुकिंग ऑयल एंड सम ऑफ यू सेड कि मेरी नेल पॉलिश की कंसिस्टेंसी बहुत पतली थी एंड सम ऑल्सो सेड कि मैंने रॉन्ग नेल पॉलिशेज यूज की थी। सो इन टुडेज वीडियो वी आर गोइंग टू सी 3 different types of nail polishes and 3 different types of slimes. So we are going to see today that what kind of nail polishes does make slimes and what doesn't. So हम लोग फाइनली देखने वाले हैं कि कौन से टाइप के नेल पॉलिश से हम लोग वो नो ग्लू नो बोरॉक्स स्लाइम बना सकते हैं विथ ऑयल. Without talking much, let's get started with our first category of nail polish will be like this chunky glitter, like these kind of glittery nail polishes, like this one. As you guys can see, this has a lot of chunky glitter in it, and like this one, this is like pretty chunky as well. So the first category is this chunky glitter, and the second category will be the creme nail polishes, the classic nail polish. So let's see if these kind of nail polishes make slime or not. So these are the second category, which is the creme. Third category of nail polishes is this fine glitter. So as you guys can see, it has very fine glitter and you almost cannot even see the glitter. It is very shimmery. So this is in the kind of like shimmery glitter, like finely minced glitter. So yeah, this is going to be our third. So we are going to see कि इसमें से कौन सा nail paint combo the accurate slime बनाता है. And yeah, let's see. I really take these kind of slime recipes very seriously, so I am going to try all the methods. I am using normal cooking oil, which you guys can find in your kitchen. So आपको इसको ढूंढने में ज़्यादा problem नहीं होगी. So I'm taking this much of oil for first, and this is also like this much for second, and a little bit more, and the same amount for our third batch as well. Let's first add our chunky glitter, which I am going to do in this pink one. So yeah, let's start adding glitter nail polish. Oh my God guys, जैसे कि आप लोग देख सकते हैं ग्लिटर को हिलाने वाले जो 2 बॉल्स होते हैं वो गिर चुके हैं इसमें, but there is still not a lot of nail polish. Let's just keep going. So I guess this is it for this nail polish. So we have like this much, and now we are going to add a little bit more. Like now we are adding this one, which is actually what I am wearing right now, this one. So let's add a little bit, I guess, for first. Oh my God, this is like super satisfying. And now let's add this one, which is also one of my favorites. Let's add. So this is how much glitter we have. And now let's add this last one, this red one. Let's add. So yeah, let's mix this one first, I guess. The oil is literally turning red. We have like this mess, but this is not slime. I don't know. So let's lift this to soak in the oil for a little bit more, and let's add our second batch, which is the plain creamy polish. Now let's add our creamy polishes. It is very like shimmery kind of polish, not really visible, but let's add a little bit, I guess. Add this one. Yeah, this should work if this recipe works. Like, these are pretty fresh, as you guys can see. This is pouring like wow. And the last, this one. So I am going to mix this one also again, and let's mix this one, I guess. Again, this is just mixing. I hope it forms because I have wasted so much of my new nail polishes. This does seems like it is clumping. This one looks like a slime to me now. Wow. We'll see in a minute कि कौन से स्लाइम्स काम किए हैं एंड नहीं. So अब हम लोग इसको इसी में थोड़ी देर सोक होने देते हैं. Like our glitter one, this looks weird, literally. I don't know where all the glitter went, but yeah. This looks like slime to me, I guess. So now let's test our final batch, which is like the shimmery, glittery polishes. Let's pour them. These are also pretty fresh and new that I just bought. So these are not old ones. So yeah, this should work as well. Add the purple one. This is like pretty full, as you guys can see. Oh my god, let's add. It does look pretty nice. The camera is not focusing. Why? Yeah, let's add. And the last one, which is like my favorite, it is called as Evening Star, and this is like really amazing color. So I'm going to mix this one as well. Let's start mixing this one as well. I hope it does make a slime. As you guys can see, this is also looking like it can form slime. It is actually like pretty clumping up like this. It does look like it can make slime as well. I guess the cooking oil is the hack, because last time when I used coconut oil, this doesn't even clump. Like clump होना तो दूर की बात है, वो ऐसे कुछ फॉर्म भी नहीं हो रहा था उसमें, सारा का सारा लिक्विड हो गया था. But this formed slime, I guess. Let's see. Let's remove this first and then we'll see. Take it in here. Like this is the shimmer one. Let's take it in here, I guess. There is no more any clumps. As you guys can see, this is how it looks. Oh my god, this looks amazing. Like if you have a lot of nail polish with you, you guys can make it. This looks amazing. Wow. As you guys can see, this does form slime. So you can make slime with these kind of shimmery nail polishes. So the third batch works. Let's see the second and first batch. So let's remove this one. in this all of them kind of work. You can see the oil is pretty clear, so all of the cream polishes work. And yeah, this one also does seems to work. You guys can see this does make slime. Oh my god, this is very nice. This one works, so this is very nice. Oh my god, this is actually not sticking to my fingers too much, which is very nice for a nail polish slime like this. So yeah, this one works as well. So if you have literally nothing, you might have oil and you might have a little bit of nail polish in your home, then you can make slime as well. Like you guys can see, this is amazing. So this is the batch 2, and now we are going to see what happened with this one. This doesn't look that good. Let me just remove this. So as you guys can see, this is how the glitter ones looks like. This also formed a slime. This looks very nice as well. As you can see, oh my god, this is amazing. And all of them worked for making a slime. Now that we have nailed it for a little bit, this one looks amazing as well. So yeah, you can pretty much make slime with any kind of nail polishes. So this is the first batch, and this is the second, and this is the third. They look so good, like they look amazing together and individually as well. Should we mix them? I think we should. Like this, these looks amazing. So let's just mix them. Oh my god, they look amazing. Let's mix. Wow, it is actually a quite bit of slime. You guys can play with it. It is kind of much as well. Like this is very nice. Now it is like looking like a purple slime, which is nice. I really like purple. Wow. So this recipe does work, and yeah, so it does make very nice slime. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. If you guys want another no glue no borax slime recipe, then please give this video 800 likes, and yeah, comment on below your own no glue no borax recipes, and I will try them in the next video, which is like my Instagram followers choose my slime ingredients. So for that follow me on my Instagram, Fantastic Farhana and Farhana Nazar. And yeah guys, that's all for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. I love you guys so much. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye bye.